All right, what I did is, to get the old exhaust pipe out, unbolted the Y-pipe with catalytic converter from the muffler, unbolted the 2 spring bolts per side and dropped it down, and then I actually went forward with the pipe towards the front of the Jeep over the cross member that holds in the transmission. The only way to get the catalytic converter to make it through that opening was to remove the hanger bracket that's bolted to the back of the transmission, because that's in the way. So the catalytic converter would not have gone through that opening without removing that hanger. So that hanger had to come out. Everything went forward and down, and then in order to get the new one in, it came in by coming from the front and going back, and you actually had to slide the hanger on to the hanger that's on the pipe in order to get the hanger on the pipe through the hanger and bolt it to the transmission. There's just not enough room to swing that through the hanger if the hanger was bolted to the tranny. So you actually had to leave it disconnected, slide it through, and then bolt it on. All right,